are fixing this supply pipes. We are using PPR pipes. We are fixing the pipes before concrete pouring. Come with me, I show you how we usually do it. Today is raining heavily over here, but the concrete is gonna be poured tomorrow. That's why we have decided to do it today. Fix our pipes. So you can see we have already our waste pipes and flow drains. These are for the wash and basin, and these are the flow drains for the bathroom. Here we have 2 bathrooms. So this is the flow drain for this bathroom, and we have a flow drain for this bathroom. So now I'm fixing the water supply pipe. Let me show you how we usually do it. This is how we usually do it, fixing the pipe. Then after that, we're gonna tie it with binding wire over there so that it can stay firm. This is our slab. You can show them the slab we are doing over here. So we have 2 bathrooms over there. We have 2 balconies over here. For the balcony, we usually fix this 4-way trap to drain any water get poured here in the bathroom. So these are the traps. Then we have another 2 bathrooms over here. This space is for 2 bathrooms, so it's gonna be divided into 2 portions. So these are bathroom and these are bathroom. So these are floor drains for this bathroom and that one. So for this one, for the wash and basin, one for the master bedroom, washroom, bathroom, and this one is for the common toilet over here. So for our today's video, we are fixing all these plumbing pointing for the entire slab, and we are almost done. So guys, keep on supporting us. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified any video we upload. And when you watch our videos, trust me, maybe next time you can do some of plumbing fixing by yourself. That means if you watch our videos from start to the end, you're gonna learn something from us. So bye for now. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.